Hi, this is David working on a problem with my 2004 Toyota minivan Sienna, and this is a solution that should work for the 2004 and at least through the 2010 and perhaps even farther. The problem is that when you go to open your door, either with the electric switch or with the manual pull, the power sliding door opens up about 8 inches and then it quits. And I'll simulate it with this. It doesn't open quite that far. I shut it off just to simulate what the problem is. And then it goes closed again. Okay, and I've already fixed it, which is why this door is going to continue opening. But it would stop and then return and close. What the problem is that Toyota created a problem when they made these electronic sliding doors, and they also decided to put the gas cap right behind the sliding door. And the problem is this. Now watch the sliding door go over the gas cap. Notice that it completely covers the gas cap. And so if you were fueling your vehicle while this happened and your kid decided to punch the door, it would hit the fuel pump nozzle, it would hit the door, scratch it all up, and do all kinds of things. To prevent that from happening, they put a push-down button inside the door, which by cable goes to the bottom side underneath the door, and this stop right here will pop up when the fuel door is open. Now I'm going to open the fuel door right here, and when I open it, I want you to watch that latch pop up. See, that latch pops up. That's what's stopping your door. This little spring right there, that little spring has to hold that thing down. And sometimes the spring gets weak and it quits working. So the solution then is to, and I'm going to close my door here. The solution then is to give this button, which you need to push down, a little more oomph so that it closes the latch. And so what we did was simply to take one of those pads, and this little pad was originally designed to soften the bump when your cabinet door closes. So it's got some material on it, it's got some sticky on the back, and we cut it up so that it would fit in this section where it presses against this button. Now the reason why I'm just showing you this part is you may be able to fix this without taking your whole door apart like I did. Once this little pad is in place, and it's probably about 3/16 of an inch thick, and it's stuck in there. Then when you close the door, it gives that button just an extra 3/16 of an inch push, and it's that 3/16 of an inch which is just enough to close the door, or to close the latch rather, so that the door opens fine. So what I'm saying is that even without messing with the latch under here, and notice that it is almost completely down. It could use just a little bit more, but with that weak spring it's not going to get it. Without messing with that, without taking out the panel right here or the two 10mm nuts, you may simply be able to open up your fuel door and to cut, special custom cut, a little pad or a piece of plastic with some sticky on it, clean this off with alcohol like we did, the metal, and then put that in there. If your spring is weak, that will give it the extra push it needs to open up that latch, and your van door will then open. Again, 2004 to 2010 Sienna, perhaps beyond. The key being that if you do this, you may not even have to tear your van apart. If this is your problem, this only pertains to the driver's side door because that's where the fuel door is. Hopefully it'll fix it for you. Let us know.